Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see the recipe of Kashmiri Dum Aloo. It requires very basic ingredients and it turns out really well. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need 350 to 400 gram potatoes. I'm using the small potatoes, the smaller variety, but if you have the medium sized ones, the regular ones, divide them into 2 or 3 parts and use in this recipe. Peel the potatoes really well. Next, prick them all using a fork. This would ensure that salt and masala, all the flavors really seep in. Drop the potatoes in water while you are pricking and peeling the other potatoes. Pricking is a really important step and make sure you do not skip it. Bring some water to a boil in a pan, add around 1 teaspoon salt. Drop in all the potatoes and at medium flame or between medium to high, boil these potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes. Transfer the potatoes on a sieve or a plate. Next step is to fry these. So heat some oil in a pan. Keep the flame between medium to high. Fry the potatoes till they turn nice and golden on the outside. This wouldn't take a lot of time. Would also depend on the amount of oil you have taken. Keep these potatoes aside. Before we move on to the gravy preparation, here I've got some curd. It's very important to beat the curd using a fork or a whisk and make it smooth. To a bowl, add around 3.5 tablespoon red chilli powder. I'm using Badi, which is less hot. If using hot red chilli powder, use around 1 to 2 teaspoon or as per your taste. Next, add coriander powder, cinnamon powder, Dalchini powder, 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger Saunth powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon crushed fennel, that is Saunf, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well, then gradually add water to make a paste. A medium consistency paste, a little here and there is also okay. Heat your kadhai or a pan and add around 3 tablespoon oil. Yes, this recipe needs this amount of oil. Then add 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom and half teaspoon caraway seed, that is Shahi Jeera, followed by a pinch of Asafoetida, that is Hing. Add in the prepared paste. Add a little water. Cook between low to medium flame, keep stirring. Once the masala is cooked, it would separate oil, there would be a separation of oil around the edges. Even the smell of the masala would change. Next, add beaten curd. We need half cup for this recipe. Make sure you immediately stir and keep mixing your gravy after adding curd and keep the flame low. Next, add a little water. Then some salt as per taste. You can taste your gravy and adjust the salt. Mix it really well. It's very important to cook the masala really well to not get any raw taste of the red chilli powder or any dry spices that we have added. Drop in the fried potatoes. This is almost done. Next, what we need to do is cover these potatoes and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you would notice that the gravy would slightly thicken and our Dum Aloo, Kashmiri Dum Aloo, is ready to serve. You can serve it with rice, roti, chapati, naan. You can also enjoy these with bread or pav. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!